Hello students, welcome back to another video of calculus. Today we will see some numericals on limits, that is some examples on limits. So first example is evaluate. Generally the examples on the limits are like this form: evaluate the following limit, that or evaluate limit x tends to some given number. So here limit x tends to 2 x square plus 1 divided by x cube minus 4. Limit x tends to 2 x square plus 1 upon x cube minus 4. We have to evaluate this limit. So the solution of this is, we will directly put the value of x is equals to 2 in this function, and we will find if there exists some finite number. If there exists some finite number after substituting the x is equals to in this function, we will get that value is equals to our limit. If that form is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then we will do some further calculations. Now here if we write limit x tends to c, given function is x square plus 1 divided by x cube minus 4, then we can just put x is equals to 2 here. So we get x square, that is 2 square plus 1. 2 square means 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by x cube minus 4. So 2 cube is 8 minus 4 is 4. So just substituting the value of x is equals to 2 here, we get 2 square plus 1 divided by 2 cube minus 4, which is equals to 2 square is 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 cube 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is the limit of given function. So this is the solution of first example. Now the next example is, suppose this is the first example. Now the second example is evaluate limit x tends to, again suppose limit x tends to 2 x cube plus 1 into x square minus 1, x cube plus 1 x square minus 1. Again same solution, we will just put x is equals to 2 in here in given function, that is x cube plus 1 into x square minus 1. So if we substitute x is equals to 2 here, we get 2 cube plus 1 into this 2 square minus 1. So 2 cube is 8 plus 1 is 9 into 2 square is equals to 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 9 3s are 27. So this is the value of given limit. Now we will see the next example. The third example is, suppose evaluate limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4 divided by 3x minus 6, x square minus 4 divided by 3x minus 6. Now if you put x is equals to 2, then we will get, so here again to find limit x tends to c, x tends to 2 x square minus 4 upon 3x minus 6. Now if we substitute x is equals to 2, then 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, and again here if we substitute x is equals to 2, then 2 6 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0. So we get 0 by 0 form. So instead of just putting x is equals to 2 in every example, we have to do some calculations. So here x square minus 4, so x square minus 4 is 2 square, so we can write it as this limit x tends to 2 as it is, x square minus 2. So we can write this x square minus 2 is, sorry, minus 4, so 4 is 2 square. So we can write this x square minus 4 as 2 square. So minus of 2 square is minus of 4. So again 3x plus 3x minus 6. So if we take 3 common, then we will get x minus 2. Now here we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So we can use that rule and write x plus 2 a plus b into a minus b. So x minus 2 divided by this 3 times x minus 2. So x minus 2 gets cancelled. So remaining terms are limit x tends to 2, x plus 2 divided by 3. Now if we put x is equals to, then we get 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 by 3 is the limit of given example. So that is limit of given function. Now the next example is the fourth one. Evaluate limit x tends to 1, x cube plus 4x plus 3, x cube plus 4x plus 3 divided by x square minus 12, x square minus 12. Now to evaluate such a limit, we just put the value of x is equals to 1, then we get 1 cube is 1 plus 4 into 1 is 4. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 is 8. And if you put here x is equals to 1, then we get 1 square. 1 square is 1 minus 12 is minus 11. So we will get the finite value. So we just put x is equals to 1 here. Limit x tends to 1, x cube plus 4x plus 3 divided by x square minus 12 is equals to, just put the value of x is equals to 1, we will get 1 cube plus 4 times 1, 4 into 1 plus 3 divided by x square means 1 square minus 12. So here 1 cube is 1 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 divided by 1 square is 1 minus 12. So the answer will be minus 8 by 11. This is the answer, minus 8 by 11. This is the solution of, that is, this is the limit of given example. Now the next example will be fifth example. Suppose evaluate limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1, x cube minus 1 divided by x square minus 1, x cube minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now if you put x is equals to 1, then we get 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 by 0 form. So here we have to do some calculations. So here limit x tends to 1, x cube minus 1 upon x square minus 1. So we know that a cube minus b cube, we can write 1 as 1 cube. So a cube minus b cube is the, using that formula of a cube minus b cube, we can write limit x tends to 1. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. So here x minus 1 into x square, that is a square plus ab plus b square. Plus ab means, sorry, plus ab. So plus a into b is plus x plus 1 square is 1, a square plus ab plus b square divided by, again we can write x square minus 1 as x square minus 1 square. So a minus b, a plus b. So x minus 1, x plus 1. Now here x minus 1 gets cancelled. So the remaining terms are limit x tends to 1, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now if we put x is equals to 1, then we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer will be 3 by 2. This is the limit of given function. Now the next example is, suppose the sixth example is same example. Evaluate limit x tends to 4, limit x tends to 4, 4 minus square root of x plus 12, square root of x plus 12 divided by x minus 4. divided by x minus 4. Now to solve this example, here limit x tends to 4, f of x is 4 minus square root of x plus 12 divided by x minus 4. Now here if we put x is equals to 4, then we get 4 minus this square root of 4 plus 12 is 16 and square root of 16 is 4. So we get 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Again to the denominator, 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 by 0 form. So here we have to do the rationalization by numerator, that is the calculation. Just a second. Limit x tends to 1, sorry, limit x tends to 4, minus square root of 4 plus 12 divided by x minus 4 is equals to limit x tends to 4. The rationalization means here 4 minus square root of 4 plus 12 divided by x minus 4 into rationalization by numerator means we have to take the, instead of minus we will take plus. So 4 plus square root of 4 plus 12, sorry, not 4 plus 12, x plus 12, this is x plus 12 divided by 4 plus square root of x plus 12. So now if we multiply here a minus b into this a plus b, so if we multiply we get limit x tends to 4, 4 into 4 is 16, then 4 into this is plus 4 times square root of x plus 12, now minus 4 times this, minus 4 times square root of x plus 12, then minus plus is minus, multiplication of these two is x plus 12. So x plus 12 divided by x minus 4 into 4 plus square root of x plus 12. So this is the multiplication. Now this positive square root of x plus 12, positive 4 times square root of x plus 12 and negative 4 times square root of x plus 12 gets cancelled. So the limit x tends to 4, limit x tends to 4, here 16, these two terms get cancelled, so plus x plus 12 divided by this x minus 4 into 4 plus square root of x plus 12, 4 plus, not plus here because if you multiply these two, this is minus sign, this plus sign, so here the minus term, so here is suppose the minus 16 minus this whole term, which is equals to limit x tends to 4, 16 minus x minus 12 means 4 minus x, so we get 4 minus x divided by x minus 4 into square root of, sorry, into 4 plus square root of x plus 12, x plus 12. Now here if we take minus sign common, then it will become x minus 4. So x minus 4 gets cancelled, so the remaining terms are minus 1 upon this term. So here limit x tends to 4, limit x tends to 4, if we take minus 1 common, then this will become x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 into 4 plus square root of x plus 12, x plus 12. Now this x minus 4, x minus 4 gets cancelled. This will be the limit x tends to 4 minus 1 upon 4 plus square root of x plus 12. Now if we put x is equals to 4, then we get minus 1 upon 4 plus 4 is 8. So the answer will be minus 1 upon 8. Hence the limit x tends to 4 minus square root of x plus 12 upon this x minus 4 is equals to minus 1 by 8. This is the solution of given example.